Knowing when the stock market closes is crucial for investors and traders, as it can significantly impact their investment decisions and trading strategies. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding the stock market hours is essential for maximizing your returns and minimizing your losses. One of the biggest sources of confusion when it comes to stock market hours is the variations that exist between different exchanges and holidays. For instance, while the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, is closed on Thanksgiving Day, the Nasdaq is open for a half day. And what about Martin Luther King Jr. Day? Are the markets open or closed? It's easy to get caught up in the complexity of it all, but it's essential to stay on top of these details to avoid costly mistakes. The lack of standardization across exchanges and holidays can lead to some serious headaches for traders and investors. I mean, who hasn't been caught out by a surprise early close or an unexpected holiday closure? It's like trying to navigate a treacherous obstacle course, and one wrong move can cost you big time. And don't even get me started on the summer hours. When do they start? And when do they end? It's enough to drive you crazy, right? But fear not, dear viewer, because today we're going to break it all down and give you the lowdown on stock market hours. The NYSE, or New York Stock Exchange, is open for trading Monday through Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. The Nasdaq, on the other hand, operates from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, but with some exceptions. For instance, on the day after Thanksgiving, it closes at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The London Stock Exchange, or LSE, operates from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, with some adjustments for British Summer Time. And the list goes on. There are some special circumstances to be aware of too. For example, the NYSE is closed on Good Friday, but the Nasdaq is open. And if a holiday falls on a Sunday, the markets will be closed on the following Monday. It's a lot to keep track of, but trust me, it's worth it. As we move forward in the year, there are some important dates to keep in mind. The NYSE will be closed on Memorial Day, Independence Day, and Labor Day, while the Nasdaq will be open on some of these holidays, but with reduced hours. And don't forget about the summer hours. The NYSE will be open from 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Fridays during the summer months. It's essential to stay on top of these details, as missing even one could cost you big time. So mark your calendars, set your reminders, and make sure you're aware of any changes to the stock market hours. So, there you have it, the lowdown on stock market closing times. Remember, knowing when the markets are open and closed can be the difference between making a profit and taking a loss. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on stock market hours in the comments below. And if you're looking for more financial tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos.